Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at the steps to remove the new Outlook app and revert back to the classic version of the email client on Windows 11, but this should also work on Windows 10. So if you don't like the new Outlook app for Windows 11, do this. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything, and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. As you probably already know, the new Outlook app is the new default and it even comes pre-installed in the operating system. However, you can remove it and continue using the classic version that usually installs when you're setting up your Office applications. Now, the classic mail and calendar apps that Microsoft first introduced in Windows 10, well, those applications no longer work. So even if you try to remove the app, you won't be able to use the legacy default mail app on your computer. However, if you do have the suite of Office apps, you can still use the classic version of Outlook at least until 2029. So to start, do this. Now, let me show you really quick that if I open Start and look for the Outlook app, actually the classic one, it will actually redirect the application to the new version. So one way then we can get rid of this, it's by editing the registry. Now, editing the registry is risky, and if you don't do it correctly, it can cause issues on your computer. So it's recommended to create a full backup before proceeding. You have been warned. Okay, so first, open Start and look for the registry. And then we're going to navigate to this path. HKey, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Update, Orchestrator, US Schedule, _OOVE. In here, you're going to right-click on this key and then select New and make sure to create a string value key. And then you're going to name that key as you see it on the screen. Actually, I can delete this. And then I can show you how to create the string. And then press Enter. Now we're going to right-click on it and select the Modify option. And now we're going to set this value and then click OK. Now close the registry. Now the next step is to uninstall the new version of the Outlook app. And to do that, open Start and look for Settings. And then go to Apps, Install Apps, and let's look for Outlook. And you can see that the label is new. So we're just going to click right here, and then we're going to select the Uninstall option. Then click the Uninstall button. Now, if you're unable to see the Uninstall option, another way that we can do this is through PowerShell. And to do that, open Start and look for PowerShell. Make sure to run it as administrator. And then you're going to run this command and then press Enter. Because I already uninstalled it, we didn't see any other actions with this command. Now, the change that we made to the registry will prevent the operating system from trying to download and install the new Outlook app automatically. And then we proceeded to uninstall the current installation of the app on your computer. So now, if you already have the suite of Office apps installed on your computer, you also have the Outlook app already installed on the computer. So the only thing left to do is just to open the Start menu and look for Outlook. And as you can see, the Outlook Classic app is the first that is highlighted. So we're going to open that. And as you can see, now we have once again access to the classic version of Outlook. Now, it is important to note that while you can still use the classic version of the email client, this app will eventually be retired, and that is expected to be sometime in 2029. So depending on when you're watching this video, you may still have some time to continue using this application. Now, if you were expecting to use the classic mail app for Windows, we're going to see that if we try to open that application, then that is actually going to trigger the new version of Outlook. You might even get a message letting you know that that application is already retired and you have to open this application. And that's it. Those are the steps that you have to take to revert to the classic version of Outlook. And this works on Windows 11 and it should also work on Windows 10. Let me know in the comments what was your reason for reverting to the classic version. And remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.